How to fix Instagram couldn't share posts to story. Hello guys, so to fix this problem it's actually very easy. All what you have to do is just open the settings on your phone, go to the apps manager and then go to the apps right here in the top. Go until you find Instagram, click on it. Now this is the app information page. All what you have to do on this page is very easy. Click on first stop here in the top, and after you click on it, now all what you have to do is just go down to the permissions, make sure that all the permissions are enabled, and then go back, click on storage, clear data and clear cache, go back, now click on again on first stop, and problem must be solved. If it's not, then you may have a problem in the network, so make sure that your Wi-Fi or your mobile data is good enough to share the post to story. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and thank you very much for watching the video until the end.